Hello, good morning, grade 5. Welcome to our class for today. This is Teacher Shai and welcome to our online class. All right, so today before we start, please type your English name and number in our comment section. English name, number. English name and number in our comment section. Now, in this class, I would like to ask everybody to please send your homework in the comments below your name. Send your homework in the comments below your name. So today we will talk about let's go camping. Let's go camping. All right, so let's go camping. What do you mean by camping? Camp. All right, where we put up tents, we go to the mountain, we go to the jungle, and then we camp. Okay, if you don't understand what is camping, then you can look at it in your dictionaries. Okay, now let's go camping. All right, ready? We will identify the things that we need to go camping. We will say, or we will look at the activities that we can do during camping, and we will answer some questions. All right. We will start with the equipment used for camping. Equipment for camping. Now, first, where we put everything, we have backpack. 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 A big backpack. All right. Again, everybody say backpack. Backpack. All right. Backpack. Now, we have rope. Rope. All right. So we use a rope to tie things. Okay. Everybody say rope. 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 Very good. The next one is flashlight or torch. One more time, everybody. Flashlight or torch. All right, so this one here is the word flashlight. Flashlight. Torch. Torch. All right, but today we will just use the word torch. All right, so again, everybody say torch. Torch. All right, so torch. This is a torch. We use it to light. Lights. See the light where the sky is see. All right, so that is a torch. But ano may say torch na? May say torch. All right. Okay, next one. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. All right, so again, everybody say sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. All right, so sleeping bag is where we like this sleep, but we call it a bag because we can roll it and it looks like a bag. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. All right, very good. Next one. It is where we sleep and then store our things. We use it. We call it tent. Tent. All right, tent. Again, everybody, tent. 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 Now we use this for walking up. Walking. It's what we call camping boots. Camping boots. One more time. Camping boots. Camping boots. All right, so camping boots like this now because boots is long. All right, camping boots. Next, first aid kit. First aid kit. First aid kit. First aid kit. All right, so first aid, for example, you're like, You have a wand and then you put some first aid. And then kit. Kit is the where we place it. Okay, first aid kit. All right. Now remember first aid kit. Okay, so let's say again the words, the things that we need, the equipment we need. First one is backpack, rope, flashlight or torch. Very good. Torch. Sleeping bag. Tent. Camping boots. First aid kit. Very good. Now, what's the missing letter? Now you need to tell me, you need to spell correctly the equipment and then tell me what is the missing letter. Now we have here, the first one is, very good, it's backpack. Now what are the missing letters of the word backpack? Back, ack, ack. All right, so it's A, K, P, A, and K. All right, so again, everybody, backpack. Let's spell backpack. B, A, C, K, P, A, C, K. Very good, backpack. Next one. This is a rope. Again, everybody, rope. Rope. What are the missing letters? R. R. Very good. R and P. Might say B. P. Very good. So the missing letters are R and P. So let's spell rope. Everybody, R O P E, rope. Very good. Next one. It's torch. All right. How do we spell torch? O, R, O, R, O, O, R, R. Okay, it's R. The missing letters are O and R. So let's spell torch. T-O-R-C-H, torch. Next. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. All right, so what are the missing letters of the word sleeping bag? Sleep. E-E. Oh, E-E. Sleep. E. Ing. E. Letter I. Bag. O, O. No, it's A. Sleeping bag. Now, the missing letters are E, E, I, and A. Let's spell sleeping bag. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G-B-A-G. Sleeping bag. Next, this is a tent. This is a tent. Very good. How do we spell tent? Te. Te. Okay. And tent. Tent. Letter N. Okay, the missing letters are E and N. So let's spell tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. Oh, very easy. Camping boots. Camping boots. Now, what are the missing letters? Ca. A. A. Ping. P. Boots. O. Boots. S. All right, the missing letters are A, P, O, S. Let's spell camping boots. CAMPING BOOTS. Camping boots. And lastly, we have first aid kit. First aid kit. Now, how do we spell first aid kit? What are the missing letters? First, I. First. Okay, S. Aid. A. Very obvious. A and I. Okay, that is bonus. And kit. E. I and kit. T. All right. First aid kit. The missing letters are I, S, A, I, K, I, T. Okay, let's spell first aid kit. FIRSTAIDKIT. Okay, good job. Good job for that one. Now let's go to the activities we can do. What are you going to do during camping? What are you going to do on camping? What are you gonna do? Do pewalay. What is do? Do. Okay. Now, first one, I am going to go fishing. All right, everybody say go fishing. Go fishing. Go fishing. What is go fishing? Catch some fish. Okay, go fishing. Next one. Go hiking. Go hiking. Go hiking. All right, go hiking is like walk, very long walk. Walk. I'm gonna run. Walk. Okay, go hiking. Next one. This is very delicious. Have a barbecue. Again, everybody say, have a barbecue. Have a barbecue. All right, so barbecue, this is the barbecue. Shimai, barbecue. Barbecue. All right, so have a barbecue. Next. Cook over the campfire. Cook over the campfire. Cook over the campfire. Cook over the campfire. All right, so campfire, what is campfire? Anisha, we know the campfire like this. We know a campfire like this. Shimai, campfire. Campfire, and then we cook over the campfire, like marshmallows, fish. Cook over the campfire. All right, so this is the campfire, and this is what we cook over. Okay, cook over the campfire. All right, so again, everybody say, cook over the campfire. Very good. All right, so again, let's review. What are the things that we could do on camping? First one, go fishing. All right. Go hiking. All right. Have a barbecue. have a barbecue. Cook over the campfire. Cook over the campfire. All right, now let's go to our sentences. Now, in our sentences, we have A and B. A and B. Now, the question A says, what are you going to do on camping? What are you going to do on camping? To do on camping. Now, I said earlier in our previous classes, my technique in answering questions. Oops, sorry now, wait a moment. Technique in answering questions, it says, what are you going to do on camping? So going to, you, I am going to. B says, I am going to alay. For example, all right, so what is this? What is this action? What is this activity? Go hiking. Very good. Go hiking. So what are you going to do on camping? Answer, the letter B answers, I am going to go hiking. I am going to go hiking, full stop. Don't forget full stop. All right. Nah? Again, everybody, let's read A. What are you going to do on camping? I am going to go hiking. All right, so let's try. What are you going to do on camping? I am A, you are B. What are you going to do on camping? The sentence says, I am going to cook over the campfire, full stop. Next, let's try. What are you going to do on camping? Oops, sorry. I am going to have a barbecue, full stop. Understand? Another one. What are you going to do on camping? Oh, we answered this one already. What are you going to do on camping? I am going to go fishing, full stop. Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so let's go with our activity. Yay. So in our activity, we have two parts. We have part 1 and then part 2. Part 1 and then part 2. Now let's go to part 1 first. Now part 1 says match the pictures. Match the pictures. So for example, number 1, it says first aid kit. Now where is first aid kit? Is it letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, E, F, or G? It's letter D. All right, it's letter D. Now we're right here, letter D. Understand? Yes or no? Yes. All right, so you write the letters in the spaces provided. Okay, you write the letters in the blank. Okay, Mai? Okay, now let's look at part 2. Anina part 2 alay. Okay, part 2, state 3 activities that you can do on camping. Okay, write sentences of 3 activities that you can do on camping. So for example, you can use go camping, go hiking, go fishing, cook over the campfire, have a barbecue, but you need to write it in a sentence. So for example, number 8, I am going to go fishing. I am going to go fishing. Oops, full stop. Easy, easy, bakbak. All right. So 8, 9, 10. 3 sentences, okay? If you want to write, I am going to go dancing. Okay, I am going to go swimming. Swimming in the lake. Shimai, okay. All right. So, but activities on camping. Okay, on camping. All right. So, na, if you say, I am going to watch TV. May TV in camping. Okay. All right. So if you have questions, you can type your questions in our comment section so that I can answer it. Okay. Remember, send your activities in the comments. Send your homework in the comments. All right. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you understand our lesson and see you again next time. Bye-bye.